Good morning, dear students. Today I am here to discuss with you all the answers of the questions which I have given you yesterday as worksheet 3. And the chapter was fractions and decimals. So let's check one by one. Question number 1 is find number 1 by 4 of number A 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, let me tell you, of means it becomes multiplication. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, it becomes 1 by 16. So the answer of question number A is 1 by 16. Number B is 3 by 5th is equals to 1 by 4th of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4th into 3 by 5, it becomes 3 by 20. So the answer of question number B is 3 by 20. Number C is 4 by 3 is equals to 1 by 4th of 4 by 3 is equals to 1 by 4th into 4 by 3. So 4 gets cancelled. So the answer will be 1 by 3. Number 2 is 1 by 7 of number A 2 by 9. So is equals to 2 by 9 into 1 by 7. So 2 into 1 is 2. 9 into 7 is 63. So the answer of question number A is 2 by 63. Number B is 6 by 5 is equals to 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. Answer is 6 into 1 is 6 and 7 into 5 is 35. So the answer of question number B is 3 by 5. Number C is 3 by 10 is equals to 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. Answer is 3 by 70. So let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is find number A 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So we have to change the sign of division into multiplication. So when we change the sign of division into multiplication, the next number, it becomes interchanged. Okay, so the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. So here 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 5 into 2 by 1 is equals to 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 1 is 5. So answer of question number A is 4 by 5. Number B is 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3 is equals to 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So answer is 2 into 3. So the answer of question number B is 2 by 3. Number C is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7 is equals to 3 by 7 into 7 by 8 is equals to 7 gets cancelled and the answer will be 3 by 8. So the answer of question number C is 3 by 8. Number D is 2 divided by 5 divided by 3 by 2 is equals to 2 by 5 into 2 by 3. So 2 twos are 4, 5 threes are 15. Answer is 4 by 15. Number E is 16 by 5 divided by 5 by 3 is equals to 16 by 5 into 3 by 5. So 16 into 3 is 48 and 5 into 5 is 25. The number F is 11 divided by 5 divided by 6 by 5 is equals to 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. So 5 gets cancelled. So the answer will be 11 by 16. So let's move to question number 3. Express as rupees using decimals. Number A is 7 paise. So 7 paise means you have to convert this into rupee. So 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. We all know. So 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So the question is 7 paise. So is equals to 7 by 100, that is rupee 0.07 is the answer of number A. Number B is 7 rupees 7 paise. So 7 rupees will keep it as it is plus 7 paise will convert this into rupee, that is 7 divided by 100 is equals to 7 plus 0.07 is equals to rupees 7.07 is the answer of question number B. Number C is 77 rupees 77 paise. So rupees 77 will keep it as it is plus 77 divided by 100 is equals to 77 plus rupees 0.77 is equals to rupees 77.77 is the answer of question number C. Let's move to number D. 50 paise. Rupee 50 divided by 100 is equals to rupees 0.50 is the answer of question number D. Number E is 235 paise. Rupees 235 divided by 100, it becomes rupees 2.35. So the answer of question number E is rupees 2.35. Let's move to question number 4. Express in kgs. Number A is 200 grams. So 200 grams, as we all know, 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equals to 1 by divided by 1000 kg. So according to the question, 200 grams is equals to 200 into 1 by 1000 kgs. That means answer is 0.2 kgs. So the answer of question number 4A is 0.2 kgs. Number B is 3470 grams is equals to 3470 into 1 by 1000 kgs is equals to 3.470 kgs. The answer of B is 3.47 kgs. Number C is 4 kgs 8 grams is equals to 4 kgs, we'll keep it as it is, plus 8 into 1 by 1000 kgs is equals to 4 kgs plus 0.008 kg. When we add these two, we'll get 4.008 kgs. So that's all for number 4. Let's move to number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Expanded form means we have to extend it as much as possible. Number A is 20.03. So 5A is 20.03. Kindly note it very carefully. 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. I am repeating it. 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Number B is 2.03 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Number C is 200.03, 2 into 100 plus 0 into 100, 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Number D is 2.034 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. I am repeating it. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. So let's move to question number 6. Question number 6 is find number A. 0.2 into 6 is equals to 1.2. Answer of number A is 1.2. Number B is 8 into 4.6 is equals to 36.8. Answer is 36.8. Number C is 2.71 into 5. It becomes 13.55. So the answer of number 6C is 13.55. Number D is 20.1 into 4. It becomes 80.4. Answer is 80.4. Number E is 0.05 into 7. It becomes 0.35. Answer of number E is 0.35. Number F is 211 into 0.2 into 4. It becomes 844.08. So 844.08 is the answer of answer number F. Number G is 2 into 0.86 is equals to 1.72. So the answer of number G is 1.72. So that's all for today. Hope you all have understood all the question and answers very clearly. Stay home, stay safe, but don't forget to study as well. Thank you.